everyone. Today I'm making a citrus salad, which is my citrus supremes, or just the sections of orange and grapefruit and tangelo and blood orange. And I cut them up by removing the top and bottom from my orange, cutting off all of the citrus peel, and sectioning those with my knife into a bowl. As you can see, I end up with a lot of great juice, and then I also feel sometimes like I have a lot of waste from doing this cutting and peeling technique to get a really perfect section. So what I like to do, either over my bowl or over a jar on the side, is I go ahead and I squeeze out all the extra juice before I throw my peels away, so that I have very little waste involved. And in this case, tonight I'm putting my citrus over a green salad. I have my bag of greens washed, chopped, and ready. And what I'll do with this wonderful glass of extra juice is I go ahead and squeeze it all out before I throw away my trash. I top it with a little bit of olive oil just in the jar, some salt and pepper, and then I just shake my jar and I have a fresh citrus juice and olive oil dressing to dress my salad with. Tonight this is going to a family for a meal delivery, to a family who just had a baby, and I'm pairing it with a brisket that I roasted in my oven with cut up onions. So it's a kind of oily, slightly more heavy meat dish, and it's really complemented well by the citrus. That's all, just a little tip on how I minimize waste and make lots of fresh foods in the kitchen for myself and other families, in this case today. Take care, and this is Melissa from Little Kosher Lunch. We hope to see you back here soon.